Welcome! Your company has provided you access to Bara Tala, the easiest way to learn Icelandic. Let's get started. First, you need to download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download Bara Tala. It's that simple. You can either log in with your phone number or use the credentials that were sent to you by SMS or email. Once logged in, you will see a variety of courses that you can choose from. If you tap on the icon in the top right corner, you can filter what you want to learn. You can choose whether to study generic or work-specific vocabulary and choose the difficulty level. Scroll down and select a course that you are interested in. Once you have chosen a course, tap the book icon on the top right corner to access an overview of all the words you will study in this course and their translation in English. You can access this feature in the exercises as well, in case you don't remember the meaning of an image. In each course, you will see a list of different types of exercises. The first three help you increase your vocabulary through images, text, and audio. The four following ones help you improve comprehension of the Icelandic language, using the vocabulary you learned in the previous exercises. Finally, in the last two exercises, you will get a chance to practice pronunciation and conversations.
Fylltir þú á bakkelsisborðið? Já, ég fyllti á það.
In the menu bar, tap the second icon, the notepad. This section has multiple languages available: English, Spanish, Lithuanian, Polish, Ukrainian, Serbian, and Vietnamese, that you can select in the top right corner. You will find a variety of generic and work-related sentence lists that you can choose from. Once you have chosen a list, you can listen and practice the pronunciation of different sentences and take tests to check if you remember what they mean. If you tap on the plus symbol, you will see something very exciting. I am trying to learn Icelandic.
Ég að reyna að læra íslensku.
Just say anything you like in the language that you selected, and the app will translate it into Icelandic. Save it, and it will appear in the My Words and Sentences section, where you can always access it and practice its pronunciation.
Ég að reyna að læra íslensku.
In the menu bar, tap the third icon on the left, the dice. You can choose between 3 different courses that you have learned from and filter the type of exercises that you want to master. It is the best way to practice what you have already learned in Bara Tala. Finally, you have probably noticed the target and the flame icons at the top of your screen. The target icon represents your level in Bara Tala. You level up by 1 point approximately every 40 minutes spent learning in Bara Tala. The flame icon is your streak. It shows how many days in a row you have been learning or practicing Icelandic with Bara Tala. Don't miss a day, or your streak will go down to 0. You might also see a cup icon. If you do, it means that your manager has created a challenge to encourage you to learn and practice Icelandic in a fun way with Bara Tala. You can then track how close you are to completing this challenge thanks to the cup icon. You can track more of your progress by tapping the fourth icon from the left in the menu bar, the profile icon. That's it. It has never been easier to start learning Icelandic. Start playing now, and remember, language is the key to society. Just speak. That's the meaning of Bara Tala.